नमस्कार, वेलकम टू वंदना's आर्ट क्लासेस। आज हम लोग शिव जी का फेस बनाना सीखेंगे। पहले तो इसके लिए फेस बनाने के लिए मैं A4 साइज पेपर पे आपको सिखाऊंगी। बाद में आपकी इच्छा है कि आप किस साइज पे बनाना चाहते हैं। तो अभी हमें बस एक 2B की पेंसिल चाहिए, इरेजर चाहिए, ब्लैक पेंट ब्रशेस या फिर पेन और paper. Learning the drawing of face. For this we have drawn one oval shape. This oval shape's total length is 17 centimeter, in which we have drawn first line, horizontal line at 2 centimeter, second horizontal line at 6 centimeter, third horizontal line at 8 centimeter, fourth at 15 centimeter. Okay? So this one is 9, the width is 9. This and this are 12.5. Here is 10.5 and here is 7.5. In between these two lines, we have a gap of 2 centimeter. Next step is we will mark 3 centimeter here, 3 here, 3 here. 1.5 here, 1.5 here. We'll draw an eye this side and this side. We'll make sure that this is less and this distance is more. This is 1 and this is half. Now here we will leave 1.5 centimeter. This distance and this distance is 1.5. Here this is 1.5 from here to here. We are starting our eyebrow. We'll make sure that there is a rough line so that our eyebrows are same level. And end of eyebrow is both sides 1 centimeter. We will mark line here and midpoint also will mark the lines. We have drawn this line and we have drawn from the midpoint. We are drawing a V and here we are drawing two curves. Eye, we have drawn one extra line here, eyelid, which is joined here and here, but here there is 2 millimeter gap. On the side, triangle, what we do, we'll show the curve like this, and we are showing the curves here. These are the nostrils. Here we'll show the curved line. We'll make sure this distance is equal. 1.5, this is 1.5, this is 1.5, this is 1.5. And we'll show one small circle here for the reflection of light. Come to the lips. Now we have given the shape to the nose. We will draw a heart here and we'll draw two petals below this. At 1.5 below the nose, we will draw a line of the nose. We measure, and from here till chin, whatever is the distance, we roughly take midpoint here. This line will curve here. To show the smiley face, we'll show little up. One line will come down. One more we'll draw here. We'll show the part below the nostril and we'll show the chin. Have our nose completed. We'll show this. Our lips are completed. Upper part of lip will be darker, lower part will be little lighter. So you can use dark red, crimson red and pink. Show a line, draw a line from here. Draw another line from here. Draw third line around the nose and fourth line here. Start the small part of ear from here then another part, and here is the main ear. This is the middle line. Below this, take more distance here and less distance here. Here we'll show the eyebrows little thicker, the hairline little coming here, and rest will go in the center. They'll be almost straight, then curve. For the neck, we will draw a line here and here. 2 earrings. In kalamkari, we have, this is a very popular design, flower and circle, and then again curve here. We'll show the curve here in the center. We'll make sure both sides we have equal number of curves. These are for the hair. Line here. Another line will come in between. This can be a simple curve also. This can be this shape. Draw one O, wider on the top, narrow bottom. Again, we'll follow the same rule. Roughly 1/3 distance, we'll draw the eyebrows. Below that, we'll show the eyelid and eye. We'll follow the same rule. This side, they are away from each other. This side, they are joined. Then for nose, again a V and curves. For lip, again a heart and 2 petals and chin. And here we show the hairdo. This is the Mang. We can show the jewelry here, Mang Tika. And this is her crown. I have shown the tilak of Shivji, okay, and erased all the lines, and we have shown the nut or the nose ring for Gangaji. Now I'm going to draw this in pen. We should draw in paint also, but right now I'm drawing in pen. This is the Mang Tika. our Shivji's drawing will look like this. I hope you liked the tutorial. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly share the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.